Let's take a look at a very lucrative niche and then dig in to some micro niches. And I'm also going to show you where you can get a free affiliate website builder to create a free affiliate blog. And I'm going to show you some products that you can promote in this niche or in these micro niches over at the ClickBank Marketplace. And then I'm also going to show you where you can get some done for you content and how to take that content and move it over and start creating your blog. So the lucrative niche we're talking about is the survival niche. As you can see, a micro niche here, which is the survival tools niche. And that market was valued at $1,279.6 million in 2020 and is projected to reach $2,481.6 million by 2030. Over at the ClickBank Marketplace, self-help survival products. Inside of this category, you can see here a paracord bracelet offer with an average conversion $255.79. Another survival life training $225.42, as well as another one that converts at $199.62 as the average conversion per sale when you sell this as an affiliate. Next up is the free affiliate website builder. So you can start building your blog in this niche or in this micro niche or micro niches if you want to create more than one. Link in the description to log into this dashboard that you see right here with your free Groove account. Once you get that account, click on Groove Blog. You're going to see that you can create one blog for free. If you want to create more blogs, you need to upgrade to Pro. We'll simply click Open this blog. Here you can see the blog I've started, the logo, home survival report, as well as when you scroll down, you can see the articles are starting to come together in this micro niche. And you can identify the micro niche here, secure the perimeter with a fence, get doors that can't be compromised, make sure your windows are secure, which is the micro niche inside of survival, making sure your home is fortified or your audience, like you can see here, brand new report limited to the first 50 buyers. This is what's called PLR, where you can take this content and teach your readers how to make sure their home is fortified for survival purposes, safe from intruders or other events. Scroll down, you're going to see you can purchase this report, and you can see the details of the report to include the headlines here that I used on my blog. And then you can read a short sample of this content, and you can see here that there's only 12 copies left. There's a link in the description to pick up this content that's done for you, or this PLR or private label rights content, which is content in this report that is done for you, and you are given a commercial license to use it on your blog once you make the purchase. After you make the purchase, what you will get is the PLR rights file, which you can see here is a license file from the creator that tells you what you can do with this content. It's very straightforward. If you have any questions, reach out to the person that wrote the content, the person you're purchasing it from. Link in the description. That is my affiliate link. You'll head over, and when you download it, you'll get articles like you see here in .text, as well as a report in .doc, which is a Word file, as well as the .text. Here you can see the text file that I opened up in BBEdit. That's a text editor on my Mac. Here you can see the content in the Word format. Of course, if you have Windows, you're probably more familiar with this, but if you have a Mac, you can load this on Word, or you could open this as a Google Doc. All you're simply doing is copying, going back to Groove Blog, going under post, adding a new post, or in this case, I'm just going to show you inside of the editor in one of the posts that I've already created. Here you can see I'm simply just going to paste in that content, and then I'm going to publish that content. As you can see here, post, publish, in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes, but may take longer. Go ahead, exit, save that to make sure all the changes are saved. Go ahead and go back to publish, which will be the page where we're going to publish our blog, the entire blog versus just that post. Go ahead, simply select publish, blog publish in progress. Changes usually go live within a few minutes. Click on visit blog. Then you can see the home survival report, the logo that I created here has been published, and you can see all the articles are ready. The articles here that you see here, secure the perimeter with a fence, build a safe room in your home, put extra security measures on entryways, get doors that can't be compromised, make sure your windows are secure, are all articles in a micro niche inside of the survival niche. And again, over at the PLR or the private label rights sales page, link in the description to get that done for you content, you can see that this new report, 10 ways to fortify your home for survival. You can see the different topics here that I basically just copied and pasted and used for the titles of my blog. Of course, when you have this content, it's best to take it and to edit it and to create something unique as possible. But you can directly take this and copy it into your blog. Again, read it, make sure it makes sense for what you're trying to say, for the products you're trying to promote, for the audience and their problems, to make sure that the content is as helpful as it can be. Another example of a micro niche here is homestead and survival. And you can see here you get 32 bundles of homestead and survival PLR content worth $636 for $27. Here's the creator, the person that wrote the content, and you can scroll down and you can take a look at each one of these micro niches inside of the survival niche and all the content that has been created for you. And again, you just simply copy and paste this content, and you can use your free Groove blog builder over in your free Groove account to start creating these blogs. Here's another example, hot and cold weather survival tips. Here's an even more micro niche, which is teaching your readers about the benefits of raising sheep for a homestead and survival prepping situation. Again, scroll down, you can see the details of this report, and you can see a short example or sample of the content, as well as you can see this is first come, first served as well. So when you click on the link and get over the sales page, there's only 14 copies as of shooting this video. So this may or may not be available, but that's also what makes this content so unique and what makes it ready-made for using it on a blog is only 49 other people will have access to this content for this report. Click the link in the description, check that out. Grab your free Groove account, which gives you the Groove blog that you see here. Also gives you these other apps, but focus in on Groove blog, blog creation made easy. And that is the entire point of this video, to put all this together so you can see how you can start this for free over with your free Groove account. Check out the products on ClickBank in this survival niche, as well as the PLR report in this micro niche. For example, this one, raising sheep for survival homesteading. It's a brand new report with lots of profit and list building potential as you dive into this micro niche inside of the niche of survival. Cool. Now you know exactly where to get your free Groove account, which is going to have your free site builder and your free blog builder inside of Groove blog, as well as what PLR is and how to use it. The products over to ClickBank Marketplace that you can take a look at to promote. And now all you need is some additional traffic to really jumpstart this whole process. And to do that, click and watch the video you see right here. Look forward to seeing that video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.